Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a topic of graph functions, O levels, and the paper is June 1941 variant, question number 2. I'm going to discuss now. First of all, we have to fill the table. And what is common mistake? We have seen student do 3-mark top question. So what student do mistake when they replace this -3 in the place of equation? So they just do this kind of mistake. For example, they put -3 to power 3. First, I'm doing what is mistake. Inshallah, I believe you will understand this kind of mistake students do. Like they don't put brackets, but you have to put brackets. Why put brackets, sir? Because you know what is the criteria we have? Basic criteria we have what? -3 square is give you -9, but -3 whole square give you +9. So which is wrong and this is right. So that is why you have to be careful and put brackets, especially power 2, even powers, because odd powers is not a big trouble. Odd powers is even powers is a big trouble. So anyway, so I will check and I get the answers. Okay, and one by one I put the values and check the answers. You can do parallel with me even. Okay, so this is a +2 comes here, so I get 2 answers from here. Okay, similarly I put 0. When I put 0, both zeros, I get 2 directly. And when I put 1 in the place of x's, so 1 + 3 4 + 2 6, so 6 answer. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I got all values. Idea is very clear. Okay, so these 3 values are clear. And now start plotting, because plotting is drawing is very important. Let me 2 to 6 are values. Okay, I show you this much, 2 to 6. Okay, so first of all I write the values 2, 2 and 6. Okay, let's reconfirm, because maybe 2, yes, 2 to 6 5 6, yes, correct. Okay, so this, okay, right. And let's start okay, and little bit down. Yeah, now okay, let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, because you know, whenever you do this kind of thing, you must know what is the scale along x-axis and what, because without scale you are 0. So what is the method of scale? I've taught a formula before. Formula is that value divided by number of boxes. Number of boxes. So for example, along x-axis, this is the 1. You can see here. So 1 is a value I'm keeping here, and there are 10 boxes small. I will keep it here. So along x-axis, 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. So along x-axis, 1 small box is equal to 0.1. So I'm writing here 1 is equals to 0.1. Okay, this part is over. So let's go for the next part. So 5. Next point is value divided by the number of boxes. So 5 is a value and number of boxes are 10. So 5 by 10, I got 0.5. So it means 1 box is equals to 0.5. But common sense, if 1 box is 0.5, so into 2 both side, 2 into 2. So it means 2 boxes give you 1. So both scales are very important for us to check our answers. So I have done my job of scale. Okay, scale is over. So one part is over, and here 1 is equals to 0.1. So both scales are final. Both scales are final. So let's see now how we can proceed. So first, -3.4.1. Make sure this is a very, especially these values are not whole number, create trouble for you. No problem. So -3.5 is here, and -4.1 where? So here you have decide where is that, because 2 boxes 1. So let's see here -5. Where is -4? 2 box up is -4. This is -4. Okay. And do you know if this is 2 boxes, let's say this is a 4 and this 5, -4, -5. This I'm showing for this. So where is this is a -4.5. Now where is -4.1? So it's very close to -4.1. Very close to -4. So I will not care, because it's a too much close to -4. So I will not care about this one. So I will use approximately -4. Let's start. So first point, I show you how to take it. This is -3 and this is -4. So I'm meeting here. I show you I'm meeting here. So I rub the both lines. I think you're understanding what is going on. Look, this point is finalized now. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Okay. Then let's go for -2, -3, -2. X is -3 where? Here. -2 where? So why? Why? Because two box is 1. So two box down is -1. Again, two box down. Sorry, it's a positive. It's positive. So make sure it's not down. It's up. Two box up. Two box is 1. Again, two box is 2. So this is line of 2. Okay. And this is line of -3. So I meet here. I meet here. Okay. They both lines meet here. Done. Okay. Let's talk about third, -2.5. Where is -2.5? -2.5 is here. And where is a 5.1? Close to 5, you can say. Here, 5. So let's try to join a line. Inshallah, I believe, because this is a very important question, so I'm taking extra time on it. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, they meet here. So I make this point here. So let's start it now. So I erase. This is clear now. Alhamdulillah. So let's move on. Next one, -2 and 6. -2 is here, and 6 is two box above than 5. Here 6. So let's see. This is 6, and this is -2, and they meet here. I'm sure you are understanding well up till now. Okay, I erase both lines. Okay. Now I'll go for next point. And next point is -1.5 here. And 5.4, 5 is here. So you know that this is a 5. And this is a two boxes. We have a 6 because two boxes 1. So where is a 5.4? 5.4 is close to 5.5. So 5.5 is close to here. So it means two box in the middle of that. So okay, so let's start. So where is 5.4 or 5.5? It is somewhere here. Okay. And where is 1.5? It is here. So let's see where the join. Let's see this line and this line. So they meet here. I think idea is very clear. Okay. So now rest part I'm raising. Now because cubic question, you know, x power 3. And I taught before past x cube, it will go like that. If I have negative x cube, it will go opposite like this. Like this. It has two turning points. It also has two turning points. Okay. Now because x cube higher positive power x cube, so I'm going to have this kind of curve. Okay, let's start. And you see it is turning now. It is turning now. Okay. And it will go up again later on. Let's see. Now -1 and 4. -1 and 4. X is -1, 4 is a two box below 4. 5, sorry. So let's make a line. It is very clear. Wait a minute. Inshallah, I believe you will gradually understand the idea. This is point I got. Okay, not is not accurate. I make more accurate. Okay. So this point is accurate point. Now let's move on next point. Next point is -0.5 is here. And 2.6 is close to 2.5. 2.5 where? Two box up is 1. Again, two box up is 2. Then it is here something. 2.5 and 2.6 are close to each other. No problem. So let's make a line. This line and this line. Wait a minute. This line is not accurate. Now it is accurate. So they meet here. Okay. I hope so. Alhamdulillah. Up till now, you're understanding. Now 0, 2. X0, Y2. Here 1, here 2. Because one box is, two boxes 1. So here 1, here 2. So Mabruk, this is so easy. Here. And now it's turning back. You see, it is going back now. Okay. So you can predict even if you are expert in the ideas that what is power 3 does. This is 0.5 and this is close to 3. Close to 3. So 3 is where? 1, 2, and 3 is here. Here. And 0.5 is here. Let's see, make a line. This is a inshallah, I believe you understand 3. And this is this one. So I am getting somewhere here. Okay. I'm erasing line now. And look at here, it's turning back now. It's turning back. Now, against 1 and 6, 1, 6. 1 is here, 6 is 2 box above than 5 because you know 2 box is 1. Okay. So let's see. This is that clear. And this is also clear. Alhamdulillah. No, it is not clear. Okay. Anyway, this is a point. Okay. I'm getting the point clear. All right, clear. Now I'm grabbing last point and final point. You see how much I'm taking time? 1.5 is here and 12.1 is a close to 12. So where's 12? 10, 11, 12. So 4 box above than 10 is 12 and 12 and 5th 1.5 is here. So let's start. This is a one line and this is second line and the point is coming here. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, we have done all. Now I'm starting the graph sketching. Okay, I change the color. I use blue color to understand. Little bit hard for me, but because, okay, anyway, I try my best to make it accurate. Now it turning back. And now, let's see further. So this is a little bit shaky. Make it straight like it's okay. You see, this is a cubic equation. I said before, x cube always 2 turning point like this, and positive x cube. Okay, negative x cube opposite, like they reflect. Okay, in y-axis. This idea is very, very clear. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now I'm going for next point. Up till now, I think very, very clear. So let's see, students, we are going to go the next points. Next part's what? I will not erase it. Next part is what here? You can see that. Use your graph equation this, okay, and find x. So question is that we'll try to match this question with our top question. Example, you see, is this equation match with that? Yes, perfectly match. So this is equals to y. So I can remove it and write y. And this turned y is equal to 0. So C part y is equal to 0. Okay. So let's start y is equal to 0. And then inshallah, I'm starting the idea. Okay. Just wait and I'm starting then. So we have a question like he was asking C part, x to power 3 plus 3x to power 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Now this full equation match with a question. And this is equal to y. So I can remove it full and write y. So this y equal to 0. And I said a lot of times, equation of x-axis y is 0. If line go through 1, this is called y is equal to 1. If line go through -2, this is called y is equal to -2. All clear. So all clear now. Okay. Now let's go for the next point. Now let's start now. So y is equal to 0 is this line. So this line is where I draw a line here. But you can see that this line curve intersect our curve only one spot, which is here. And this is my answer. And now you must know one small box is 0.1. So it means this is a 3. And I have to move one box forward. So it means the answer is x is equals to negative 3.1. This is my answer for C part. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. This he was asking us. So from the find the x value. Okay. Similarly, if you look at carefully, he is giving us further. He's giving us what was further point. You can see that he's asking this question. So let me write it here. D part. He's asking x to power 3 plus 3x to power 2 plus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. And he asking find the x value. So same story. So let's see how we can do this one. Again, he said, what is the read wording? Draw a suitable straight line. Okay, draw a suitable straight line. So let's see how we can draw a suitable straight line and get the answer. Let's see. Okay, let me adjust. Yes, is okay. No, slightly below. Okay, now let's see now. Okay, almost okay. All right. So let's start because I have to adjust and then I go up to start the question. Okay. So let's start about the point. He is saying what here? So is this x cube match? Yes, match. Is 3x square match? Yes, match. Is this 2 match? Yes, match. So three things are match. Only one thing is not matching. So I take everything same, but what is not required, I will take on the other side. I will take on the other side. Now all these three terms perfectly same. So what I will do, this is equals to y. So I'm replacing by y, and y is equal to minus 2x. And now I will make a table of two, very clear. For two values or three values, I can make it. I can make it two values of two or three, no problem. But I make always two values, sorry. You can see here. If you make a three, even no issue, but two. An ideal number is x0. Ideal number x0. When I put x0 here, 0 into 2 becomes 0. So y turn to 0. Now from here number to this number, what is our boundary limits? Boundary limits is 1.5 maximum and min this one. So from these two values, take any number you like. I like 1. I put it here. But let's say you put -2, no problem. If one student put -3, no trouble. But I put, okay, let's try put -2, no problem. When I put -3 in the place of x, let's see what happened. Y is equals to -2 into -3, minus minus plus, I got 6. So it means this, you can make put any number you like, but in particular boundary limits. What boundary limits we have? These are the boundary limits we have. Okay, let's start. 0, 0 is here. Okay, I change my color of the pen and I do in 0, 0 here. Second point, -3, 6. -3 is here and 6 is 2 box above. Why, sir? 2 box is 1. So above 5, 2 box, we have a 6. This 6. So let's make a line. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the line. This is a 3 and 6. I believe you understanding what is going on. And wait a minute, let me make a accurate line. This point. So this point I got, and this point I got. 2 points I have already, and I'm going to make a line in red color. So let's start. This line I am getting here. This I think so. Idea is very, very clear. Idea is very, very clear, I'm sure. Okay. And this line I'm getting. Okay. So extend the line a full page. Like whenever you draw any line, it should not make small part of graph. No, you will make it throughout the graph paper. Okay. It is not cutting anywhere. Sorry, it is not cutting anywhere. It's cutting only and only one spot. Where the point? That is point is here. And this answer is approximately here. It is, you can say that negative 2.5. Okay, I can, or negative 2.45. X value is negative 2.45. But let me tell you, in mark scheme, it is a range. Range means your answer could be from here to here, many values possible. So because it can fluctuation, a little less or little more, no issue. Both answers are correct, but answer should be according to your graph paper. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, I finished C and D, and now I go for E part. Last part, E. So let's discuss E part. I believe up till now you're understanding well. So let's talk about the last part, and last part is what he's asking here. Look at here. He said equation this has three solutions, and k is an integer. What is integer? Integer whole number like 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10. It could be positive, it could be negative. So no issue at all. But don't tell decimal. 2.5 is wrong. So now I'm writing the copy this question here. Right hand side, x cube plus 2x square. Sorry, not plus 2. 3. 3x to power 2 plus 2 equal to k. And he's asking how many possible, what is the possible value of k? So let's answer this one. So let me move my graph and it come here. Let's see. Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think so. Slightly move, but and okay, it's fine. Alhamdulillah. Now, is this match? Yes, match. Is this match? Every time you will match your question of your the title question. So this full equal to y. So I can write here y, and we have done it this kind of thing. Y equal to k. What is a k value which you make? For example, this curve is going forever up, and this curve is going forever down, up and down. So if I draw a line here, it cut one spot. It cut here one spot. Look at cutting the curve one spot. Here one spot. Here one spot. Here one spot. Here one spot. Actually, what is that? Turning point below, one spot, turning point above, one spot. Between two turning points, it has three spots. And if someone asks, sir, what about two spots? For example, this is my red line. It has two solutions. Look, I'm showing you. Look, I'm showing you. This line has, it has two solutions. So why, sir, two solutions? Look at here. One touching, one touch the graph, and one cut the graph. So two solutions. This line has two solutions, but he said, no, 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 give me three solutions. So he asked, okay, look at here. Now we can give any answer. K answer is what? For example, look, I make a line. If my line go through 5, it cut the graph one time, second time, third time. So it has three solutions. So if you write K is equal to 5, correct answer. But if you write, for example, if you write, this is not answer. For example, you write Y is equal to 4, like Y is equal to 4. It is also cutting three spot, one time, two time, three time. So if you write K is equal to 4, also correct. Okay, but suppose you write, no, sir, I want to take through 3. For example, this is 3. This is 3. Wait a minute. I make again. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Wait a minute. I make again. Make again. And I believe, inshallah, you will understand. Okay. Look, this curve, this is y equal to 3. This is y equal to 3. I make again. I show you y is equal to 3. So it cutting the one spot, two spot, three spots. So again, it has three solutions and y is equal to 3. So 3 value is k value. 3 value is k value. So we have, it means if one student write 3, one student write 4, one student write 5, all answers are correct. And because he asked us, give me any value of k with give integer. So that's it. Our question is completely over.